Okay, so NVIDIA stock has shown an extremely powerful bearish rejection pattern this week, followed by an important bullish reaction. Yes, NVIDIA is still moving sideways between its support and resistance lines, but the main trend is still bullish. The only thing missing for us to see a clear continuation of this bullish move is the breakout of its main resistance line. So, will NVIDIA maintain this bullish sentiment? Well, perhaps, and regardless of whether you are optimistic or pessimistic, you should be aware of these key points. In this video, I will give you more details about what's going on here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis on NVIDIA stock. Well, first, in the daily chart, looking at the daily chart, we see that the trend is still clearly bullish. We are having some congestion over here right now that we just reached a very important resistance level around 289 over here. We have yet to hit the 289 line, but still we are struggling around under this resistance level over here, indicating that yes, NVIDIA looks quite exhausted right now, which is totally normal and expected because we just did a fantastic breakout of this inverse head and shoulders in the weekly chart and a breakout from this descending channel in the weekly chart as well. So okay, we are showing some exhaustion over here. We have been moving sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks right now. So okay, that's a sideways correction, all right? This is totally normal and expected. Therefore, we see this congestion in the daily chart. Now, it is quite important to see NVIDIA's reaction this week because this week we were on the verge of triggering a very dangerous double top chart pattern. See, NVIDIA hit the 280 line over here once. We drop it. We hit the 21 MA over here, and then we went up again just to hit the 280 area once more, and then we almost lost the support at 262 line over here, triggering this double top chart pattern. So okay, we avoided this sharper correction in the daily chart, which in my humble opinion, if NVIDIA triggered this double top chart pattern, we could easily drop to the 21 MA in the weekly chart over here. All right, easily drop to the 21 MA in the weekly chart. However, we avoided this bearish scenario. Great. Right now we are going up. We are above the 21 MA again. What's more, this pattern over here, a massive bearish candlestick pattern around a support level after the pullback materialized. This was a classic exhaustion bar, all right? So we did an exhaustion bar and then we bounced again above the 21 MA. Yesterday we did a hammer candlestick pattern. This hammer was officially triggered today. So okay, NVIDIA is just bullish right now. However, we have yet to break the 280 resistance line over here. Only by breaking the 280, NVIDIA is going to resume the bullish sentiment, and we are going to fill the gap. I'm so sorry, I was going to say fill the gap. We are going to hit the next target at 289, which is our long-term target for, well, many months right now. We have been aiming at this gap at 258 over here for a long time, and after we closed this gap, then we started to aim at the 289. Do you guys remember when NVIDIA was down here and many people were saying, no, it's impossible for NVIDIA to fill this gap over here, right? It is just impossible. Its fundamentals are trash, NVIDIA is never gonna go up. Well, it went up. It filled our gap. Right now we are almost at 289. And in the daily chart, okay, we see a congestion, but this congestion could be seen as a visible rectangle chart pattern, right? We are trading inside this range, and usually when we see an upwards breakout from a rectangle chart pattern, the technical target is the height of the pattern projected in the direction of the breakout. So honestly, we could even break the 289 resistance level over here. Still, let's work with 289 first, but NVIDIA has plenty of upside potential left, especially if we take a look at the weekly chart. Because in the weekly chart, by breaking the 289, the next technical resistance level is the all-time high at 348. There is no other meaningful resistance other than 348. Therefore, if we see a breakout from the 289, NVIDIA could easily turn extremely bullish again and retest the all-time high. What could possibly go wrong over here? Well, NVIDIA would have to lose this rectangle chart pattern downwards. In this scenario, again, we could easily drop to the 21 EMA in the weekly chart, but we have a first technical target at 244 down here. And if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, short-term wise, NVIDIA just triggered a bullish pivot point. As crazy as this sounds, right? We triggered a bullish pivot point. We did a bottom higher than the previous bottom, and now we did a top higher than the previous top. Therefore, we did trigger a bullish pivot point. We broke the 272 key point, which was this key point over here that acted as a support level over here and as a resistance level here, 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 and here again. Today, we broke this key point, which I mentioned multiple times in our newsletter. This is why it is very important for you to subscribe to our newsletters so you can keep in touch in real time with our exclusive analysis on NVIDIA and on other stocks as well. Okay, so alright, we broke the 272. Now the 272 is supposed to work as a support level along with the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart. And this is very good. This is quite optimistic. It seems that NVIDIA is going to try to retest the 280 resistance line. And so far, it seems that we avoided a sharper correction over here. Either way, we gotta keep our eyes open at the 262 support, which is the most important support level on NVIDIA right now. Only by losing 262, NVIDIA will truly turn bearish. And the 280 is our main resistance level over here. Only by breaking 280, NVIDIA will finally turn extremely bullish again. Oh, and by the way, if you're still watching this video, consider subscribing to this channel, click on the like button as well, and follow me on my Instagram, because I have an Instagram right now and I'm posting exclusive stuff over there. So come on, give me a follow so you can see how's my life here in Brazil. And of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated every single day in this channel. I really appreciate your audience, your friendship, your trust. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend, my friends. Stay safe. Bye-bye.